Looking for a powerful vacuum that does it all? The Shark Navigator NV360 features lift-away technology, letting you easily clean stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach places. With swivel steering and a HEPA filter, it's perfect for homes with pets and allergies. The XL Dust Cup means less emptying, and the Pet Power Brush tackles stubborn hair with ease. Versatile design, strong suction, great for pet owners. Cons: hose is short, and the brush roll needs frequent cleaning. For the price, it's one of the best upright vacuums out there. Click the link in the pinned comment or in our channel description to see all of our Amazon deals.